Okay, I have a 2015 Lexus CT. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. This is the glove box. You're going to want to take this out. You're going to have to pull it around. I already took it out for to make it a little easier. There's 4 little tabs. You gotta kind of twist it around. Next, you're gonna pull out the cover. It's right here. It's just 1 tab. Okay, then the actual air filter's in there. There's 2 tabs. You gotta, or no, just 1 tab. This one right here, and that is the cabin air filter. Grab it, pull it out. Obviously, you want to get a new one, and just put it back in there. Next, you're gonna make sure this is on the up position. Snap it back in there. You're gonna want to have this end hook into it, and then put this back in there. And last but not least, you're gonna put this little doohickey in there. Just gonna push it in. And that's how you do it on a 2015 or similar Lexus CT.